Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the tools. Install Python 3, 10 or later, and pip, because library compatibility matters. Once done, install PySerial and choose either Platform I/O or Arduino CLI for building. These let you compile and upload without the IDE. Make sure your Arduino is connected via USB and identify its serial port, COM3 on Windows or /dev/TTYACM0 on Linux. Now you have the runtime, the uploader, and the device ready. Next, we write code that talks to the board. You will now write the Arduino sketch and the Python side. First, make the sketch print or parse simple serial messages at 115,200 baud. This reduces latency and avoids buffer issues. Then compile and upload with Platform I/O or Arduino CLI, explicitly specifying the board and port so the correct core is used. Once uploaded, write a Python script with PySerial. Open the port, set a sensible timeout, and exchange encoded bytes or JSON strings. This separation keeps hardware code. You're at the finish line. Run your Python script and observe the serial exchange. Log messages with timestamps so you can spot delays. If you see no data, make sure the serial monitor is closed. Only one program can open the port. Verify the port name, confirm baud matches, and try a different USB cable. When things work, add small payloads, retries, and a simple checksum or handshake to make communication robust. One key troubleshooting tip: power cycle the board after changing firmware to clear stale state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.